Hey, all you lock stars out there, it's your buddy Southpaw Pete. What we got today is an Opal open package, open lock. I got this Brinks deadbolt for exterior doors, Pro Guard, advanced security and protection, keyed one side. Let's get into this bad boy. Deadbolt, 2 keys, installation instructions, heavy duty, Pro Guard, pick and drill resistant, high security keyway with bumps. I'll be right back. And we're back inside the package. We have the turn piece and the deadbolt, which actually they've screwed in as if this, somehow, whatever. And here's your bitting on the key. I don't know if you can see that well. Put that, there you go. And let me get this out, and we'll be right back. All right, and we're back with the Brinks deadbolt. You can see this cylinder doesn't even come out. It's one whole piece, and it looks like it's crimped here in these 4 spots. But what's cool is this screw holds in the actual cylinder, which means theoretically you could change out this cylinder. Here's the keys. Give you a look at the bitting. They do work. I mean, it's a working padlock. Deadbolt. But let's try to get into this with a 40 thousandths. We're going to go bottom of the keyway here. That's a good fit. And I'm going to use that octo rake from Sparrows. This is pretty good for residential. But let's see what we got. Okay. And we're in. I don't know if you saw that, but that's not good when your deadbolt just kind of wiggles open. So, little PSA. These Brinks, that's what I say. Don't use them. They're fun to pick, but as far as pick resistant, it gets the big. All right, rock and roll. Like somebody, follow, share, subscribe. Love you.